basically when accelerating, when pressing on the gas, it goes louder like this. When I release, it almost goes silent. Let's do that again. Okay. I don't know, I feel it's coming from the right side. Sometimes I feel it's coming from the center front.